So I'm John Vincent Triambilio and I will be explaining our laboratory activity number 6, add symmetry digital signal. The goal of this activity is to generate signals that show odd symmetry using Python and to verify this property both visually and numerically. A signal is said to have odd symmetry if x of negative n equals negative x of n. This means the signal is mirrored and inverted about the origin. In simple terms, the left side of the graph is the opposite of the right side. Symmetry is also called anti-symmetry because the values on one side cancel out the values on the other. Odd symmetry in Fourier series, signals with odd symmetry contain only sign terms, since sign functions are also odd. This property is useful in analyzing signals for Fourier decomposition, modulation, and filter design. In this activity, I use Python to generate two examples of odd symmetric signals, a sine wave and a cubic function. I, create, I created time samples from -10 to +10 and defined the first signal as sine of 0.3 pi n and the second signal is as n cubed. After plotting both signals, I observed that they were symmetric and inverted about the origin. The sine wave oscillated smoothly above and below zero, while the cubic function curved upward on the positive side and downward on the negative side. I then verified the odd symmetry property numerically by flipping in the signal values and checking if x of negative n equals negative x of n using Python's np.allClose function. Both signals returned a result of true, which confirmed that they indeed satisfied the condition of odd symmetry. From the plots, I observed that the sine wave and the cubic function had the same antisymmetric pattern. The right side of the signal looked like the left side but flipped upside down. This confirms that in odd symmetry, every positive value on one side has an equal negative value on the opposite side. I also learned that this is different from even symmetry, where the two sides of the signals are identical and mirror each other directly. Odd symmetry flips across both axes, while even symmetry only mirrors across the vertical axis. In conclusion, this activity helped me understand and visualize the concept of odd symmetry in digital signals. Using Python made it easier to generate signals are important because they simplify Fourier analysis, allowing only sign component to exist. This concept is very useful in fields like electrical engineering, communication systems, where symmetric and anti-symmetric signals play key roles in designing filters. Understanding balancing vapors and analyzing frequency content, overall, this experiment gave me a deeper understanding of how mathematical symmetry applies to real digital signals and how it affects their behavior and applications.